Shri Bhagwati manufacture, induction sealing. An induction sealing machine is an essential piece of equipment widely used in various industries, including food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and chemicals, to ensure the integrity and longevity of products. This machine utilizes electromagnetic induction to create a hermetic seal on containers, typically made of plastic or glass, that have a foil-lined inner seal. The process begins with the container being filled and capped with a cap that has a foil liner. The container then passes under an induction coil, which generates an oscillating electromagnetic field. This field induces eddy currents in the foil liner, causing it to heat up rapidly. The heat melts the wax layer on the underside of the foil, which in turn melts the polymer coating, bonding it securely to the container's rim. Once the container moves away from the induction coil, the polymer cools and solidifies, creating an airtight seal. Induction sealing machines come in various configurations, from handheld devices for small-scale operations to fully automated systems for high-speed production lines. The choice of machine depends on several factors, including the type and size of containers, the production volume, and the specific requirements of the sealing process. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.